Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a power steering pump. This is off of the Mitsubishi Eclipse 99 GS. GSX would probably be this almost same as this. The internals are pretty much, they look all the same. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick disassembly, how to disassemble it, and this is gonna be a series of 2 videos where in one I'm gonna disassemble it, and in the second one I'm gonna be rebuilding it. And I already ordered a gates rebuild kit, so I will be doing that as well. So first thing first, we're gonna get off this pulley, this bolt right here, which is a 17 millimeter. I'm using my badass subcompact impact 3/8. All right, so you put that aside right there. There it is. Now we have the shaft, and we have a 14 millimeter right there. This one right there, and then one more 14 millimeter right here. This is the one actually that holds the mount. The mount right there. And then now we have a 12 millimeter, right? I already drained the oil out of this, so yeah, there it is. There's damage. That's the reason why I'm rebuilding it, because it was leaking. So that gasket is going to be changed right here. Let me see if I can pop this out. One more right here. Don't worry about this washer. This is like that. It's supposed to be like that. It's a spring washer or whatever. Then we have a O-ring right here, which is really plasticky. And then one more right here, right? Same thing. It's a plasticky. It used to be rubber, but yeah. The sensor, we're not gonna remove it. It works. So now we're gonna go to the rotor. Okay. This right here is a rotor, right? I want you to pay attention on these little flaps. They can actually slide out, and you can lose them. So be careful with those. Right here as well, I don't know if we can focus. There's a little snap ring. There it is. You get this in a set too, so you can replace that. So now we're going to remove the rotor. Be careful, like I said. You can slide these out. It doesn't really matter which way you put them on. If they all pop out, you can. They're just interchangeable. You can put it anywhere you want. Alright, now we have these 2 guide points. And then we have the shaft. Right, there's the shaft. And where the shaft is, we have the bearing, rubber seal bearing, which I'm gonna try to take off. I do not have a bearing puller, so I'll just do it this way. Let me get a stronger screwdriver. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that. It's also plasticky, so bearing is out, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you how to disassemble it. In my case, there's actually a certain clearance between the shaft and this bearing over here, so you have to match that. So in my install video, in my rebuild video, I will actually go through the measurements and I'll show you how to measure and all that. Just check for visual inspection, of course, for now. Make sure all the teeth are good, everything is good, no scarring, whatever. I will be covering all this, covering the holes, covering this area, and I'll be sandblasting this whole thing and painting it. So yeah, inside here there's a valve, and alright, so there it is inside this flow control valve. There's right there flow control spring, and right there it all looks good. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, guys. Just an easy way to disassemble a power steering pump if you have a leak. I will, like I said, make a second video where I will rebuild it. So stay tuned for that. Make sure, of course, you like it, share, subscribe, and check out my Instagram as well. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys later.